Hi, I'm Randy from A Fresh Squeeze Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute heart plaque with rolled paper flowers. It's a very simple project. It's a great project to do while you're watching TV, and it's very quick. So let's get to making.
First, you need to gather up your circle download from my blog, 3 pieces of scrapbook paper, scissors, a glue gun, and your heart plaque. Now use the circle template to cut out your paper flowers. You can really cut them out in any size that works for you. Cut around your circle about 3/4 of an inch in, and you will end up with a base at the end. Start rolling your paper on the outside edge of the circle. Keep your roll tight. The print of the paper should be facing up on your flower. Keep rolling and keep it tight. Don't roll the base into the flower. At the end, you can release the flower and shape it before gluing it to the base. Add a good-sized drop of glue and hold it firmly in place until it's dry. Arrange your flowers on the heart plaque until you like how they look, and then glue them in place.
Thank you for stopping by and crafting with me today. Please like this video, and if you'd like more DIY crafty goodness every week, simply subscribe to my channel. See you later.